Brand association is a major hurdle to be crossed, especially in our jurisdiction. Hisense have come on board for 3 years. We believe in mutually beneficial relationships where you give something to the partner, as we like to call it, and they also give something back to you. Hisense are giving Kotoko 3 million cedis in cash and products over a course of 3 years. So a breakdown of the 3 million is 1 million a year. 1 million cedis every year. Hisense is supposed to give us an immediate cash of 500,000, and I can announce with all joy that the initial 500,000 has been paid and it's in the account of Asante Kotoko. Hisense are also going to give us products. You know, the Adakoja project that we are embarking on to be completed in December. They are giving us products worth 230,000 to finish the place. In years that we don't need these products, they're going to convert that into cash for us, which is very good. I've followed football, I've worked in football, I've been to many countries, followed more than 100 leagues. Hisense said, we believe in Kotoko. We don't think any team can come and score Kotoko or can score Kotoko. So any opposing player that is able to score a winning goal against Kotoko, we'll give that person 5,000 cedis. But if they are unable to score Kotoko, that money goes to Kotoko. There's going to be Fan of the Month awards for the most outstanding fan, which is going to be selected through some voting means, some selection, and that fan will go away with 5,000 cedis worth of products every month. So then Hisense again says, we love beautiful goals. You know, we want to see beautiful goals. So any Kotoko player that wins the Goal of the Month award also gets 5,000 cedis worth of products. We are in talks again to see the number of fans that will register as a challenge to the fans. And then when you go into Hisense shops with your membership card, you also get a discount for the products that you buy. That's going to depend on the product that you buy. So we're going to communicate that later based on. So the fans, I urge you to patronize Hisense. They've got quality products. They've shown love to Kotoko. And the only way we can repay that love is to patronize Hisense and to do things that will promote the name of Hisense. I thank you very much for this opportunity. We thank Hisense again, and I'll tell the players that Hisense is a winning brand. Hisense always wins, and therefore we have to win so that we can decide to say, if we are top of the table, put Hisense instead of Kotoko, and they'll still be on top. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. We truly appreciate your presence.
What I'm saying here today, I think the people that have said it already, I travel a lot. I went through everywhere. It was not easy, it was hard, but what I'm seeing here today is beautiful. Obviously, we have a chance to play for a team that got a lot of partnership, a lot of sponsored. But seeing this happening in Ghana, obviously I play in Togo. I used to play in Ghana. I'm from Nigeria. My parents are from there. I know quite well the country. I always pass through Benin. I have a lot of friends in Benin, a lot of friends in Ivory Coast. What I'm seeing here today, I think is the first time I'm seeing something like this in West Africa. And all what I can say is, hopefully, in football, when I started, people ask me, when are you going to stop your career? There's no time to start, there's no time to stop. Keep going till you can't anymore. Today, there is a marriage between Hisense and Asante Kotoko. And I'm hearing 3 years, after 3 years, I think we should focus on the future. Maybe after 6 months, they will change it for 4 years, maybe 10 years, maybe 15 years. But I'm pretty sure the way I talk with Mr. Hisense himself, the boss, is gonna be for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, I don't know. Today, I'm pleased to be among you. Thank you so much. And the only one thing that my father taught me before leaving me is Uku Mapima.
I want to say congratulations for how far we have all come together with our team. And today I'm very happy that my family is together. My two family, my Kotoko family and my Hisense family. Today we are one. And I'm very, 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 very proud of myself. I'm proud of Hisense and I'm proud of Kotoko. Coming together, I know we have the brighter future ahead of us.